So what's happening, folks? In this episode today, I want to show you how to master your volume levels using Shotcut, and we want to do this tutorial right now. So right guys, we're going to show you how to do this right as easy as possible. So first of all, you have to open your project. Afterwards, so if you saw the video from before, this was the video for where I did how to edit with Shotcut. It was very easy. Links will be in the description, or the iCard will be coming up on the screen now, and you can see how to edit with Shotcut. So continuing now, volume levels can be easily set, easy as that. So head, go down to by properties, and you'll see properties next to playlist. Next, click the audio track you want to adjust. After clicking it, go on to properties. After you go on properties, you can fine tune, adjust it. Remember, if you're going too loud, it won't be so nice for the listeners and the viewers of the video. So my rule of thumb is I use -6 decibel. Lastly, the peak meter is very useful to use in these types of situations. The peak meter shows you how high or how red they say or how loud the music will be. And you see, it's easy as that. Well guys, you see, it was easy as. Always remember, when you begin any video, always check your audio and make sure it's not peaking or it's actually showing red. Don't like, don't share, but comment, tell me, subscribe if you find this content was interesting, and do me a favor, watch our next video. It helps me a lot, very a lot. So see you in the next one, and most of all, have a great day.